Happy Monday, Little Monsters, and welcome back to Little Monster Eats. This is week 3 of school lunches, and today we are going to start off with a Yum Box Panino. Inside our Yum Box Panino, I had made using some crescent roll, some pizza rolls, I guess. So I put some mozzarella cheese in here, some tomato sauce, and I rolled it up. And I wish I had melted a little bit better, but I think I just have to maybe heat it up a little bit more. But this was my first attempt. We had crescent rolls for dinner, and I decided to save 2 triangles to test things out. So I have 2 of these in here for him. Then I have some Pringles. I have some cucumber slices here in the center, and then I have some apple slices for his fruit today. And I did add a little bit of lemon juice in there just to make sure it doesn't turn brown. So that's what he's eating for lunch. And then I have a little Sistema container, and in here I just have some, it's actually a cupcake, but it's like angel food cake. So that's what the consistency is, but it comes in a little cupcake. I got it at a local bakery, and I just cut it up into more bite-sized pieces. So that's what he's going to be having for a snack today. And then to go with that, I just have a thermos of water, and then I have a thermos of milk. So we will see what he finishes at the end of the day. Have a good one, guys. Bye. Hey Little Monsters, and welcome back. Today we are using a Bentgo Kids Chill. I love using this box, but today we are actually not using the cold pack that's on the bottom. I have a bagel with cream cheese that I made here. This is a mini bagel. I have a clementine that I peeled up along with some blueberries, some pretzel chips, and then some pistachios to go with that. That's going to be his lunch. For a snack, I'm going to give him a stick of yogurt. This is a Go-Gurt stick. And then I also have here a made good bar. This is a vanilla crispy square, so essentially it's like a Rice Krispie. It's just a little bit healthier. It has honey and it's not as sweet as the original Rice Krispie that you find. I have also a thermos of water, and then I have a small thermos of milk today to go with that. That is what he's bringing. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Good morning, guys. Today I am using a new box for us this year. This one is called the Bentgo Pop, and it's actually a really large box. I would say this is a good transition box when your kids get a little bit older and eat a little bit more food. For Brandon, it's a little on the bigger side, but I do like that it does have a lot of space so we can add things of larger quantities. So for the main meal, I have Nutella roll-ups, basically 2 pieces of Nutella, or sorry, 2 pieces of bread, flattened it out with the palm of my hand just to make it a little bit thinner, and then I spread some Nutella, rolled it up, and then I cut it into little pinwheels. So that is what he's eating. This does have a divider here that you can remove, so you can either have a very large container here, or you can put it right in the middle and divide it into 2 separate sections. So I kind of like that. In this other section, I just have a bag of trail mix. I kept it in the bags. I'm not sure if he's going to get to it or not, and that way he can save it for snack time instead. So I'm just going to keep it whole like that. I have, these are avocado toast. This is from Crunchmasters, and so they have really good crackers, and this one is a new version that they have called avocado toast. I got the salt and pepper flavor, and they are super crispy. They're rice crackers essentially, so I have that in there. And then for fruit, I just have 4 strawberries I just put here, and he'll just eat it whole. That is what's for lunch. And then for a snack, I'm just going to give him a Nature's Bakery raspberry flavor fig bar. And then he has his usual thermos of water and then a thermos of milk. We got some Star Wars ones today. So that is what he is bringing for lunch. We'll see what he finishes at the end of the day. Happy Friday, Little Monsters. We are at the end of our 3rd week of school, and today I am using the Planet Box Rover. I have the robot theme here, and inside the box I decided to try something new. I actually had bought this set of molds to make Uncrustable sandwiches. This one is a heart, and I decided to make a grilled cheese heart sandwich. So I have 2 slices of bread. I have a piece of cheese in the middle, used the molds to cut out the shape, press them together, got this, and then cooked it on the stovetop just to get that nice grill color. Now, if you're wondering what it looked like inside, I did make a second sandwich because I was quite curious myself. And so here is another sandwich heart, and inside is the cheese, and it looks really good. I'm kind of excited about how that turned out, but that is what the main meal is. I have a clementine that I peeled up, multivitamins here in the center. I have one of the Planet Box pods here with some chocolate Teddy Grahams. I have some cherry tomatoes, and then I have, these are harvest snapped These are lightly salted pea snacks, so I have some of that here in the lunchbox as well. To go with that, I have a box of raisins for a snack, and then also some strawberry Pocky sticks. These are biscuit sticks that are dipped in chocolate. This is a strawberry flavor, and chocolate is his favorite, but we don't have any of those, so this is what he's gonna bring for a snack. Because it is Friday, I like to give him a special treat, so we do have a carton of chocolate milk here, and then a thermos of water. So that is what he's bringing to lunch today. We will see what he finishes at the end of the week. Just want to say thanks for watching. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so you don't miss more episodes. We do launch a new episode every Friday to show what the weekly meals are. And then you can also follow me on TikTok, where I actually have videos on which I make the meals themselves, and then also on Instagram and Facebook as well. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a monsterific weekend, and we'll see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.